In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can contact Temu customer support. You can simply talk directly to the Temu customer service in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Temu account. On this page, tap on your profile icon right here. You will have to select the option of customer support right here. On this page, tap on Contact Us right here. You will have to write the exact problem you're facing on the Temu app. Let's say you have had a delay in your order, simply explain to them your issue and they will eventually get back to you. It usually takes less than 24 hours for them to reply. That's how easy it is to contact Temu customer care. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.